Exotic delight. Tropical fruit sundae recipe, summer treats. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing a taste of the tropics right to your kitchen with our mouth-watering tropical fruit sundae recipe. It's the perfect treat to beat the summer heat. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. Assorted tropical fruits, think mangoes, pineapples, kiwis, bananas, and whatever else tickles your taste buds. Vanilla ice cream. Coconut flakes. Honey or agave syrup. Chopped nuts, optional for added crunch. Whipped cream, optional for extra indulgence. Maraschino cherries, because what's a sundae without a cherry on top, right? Instructions. Step 1. Let's chop up our tropical fruits into bite-sized pieces. Now, feel free to get creative here. Mix and match your favorite fruits for a burst of flavor in every spoonful. Step 2. Let's assemble our sundae. Grab a nice, big bowl and start with a generous scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Next, layer on those juicy tropical fruits. I'm talking mangoes, pineapples, kiwis, the whole shebang. Now, sprinkle on some coconut flakes for that extra tropical flair. And drizzle on some honey or agave syrup for a touch of sweetness. If you're feeling fancy, go ahead and add some chopped nuts for a delightful crunch. And of course, we can't forget the whipped cream. Finally, top it all off with a vibrant maraschino cherry. And there you have it, folks, our tantalizing tropical fruit sundae. It's a flavor explosion that'll transport you straight to paradise. Absolutely delicious. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this summer sensation. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy eating. Stay cool, stay tropical. Bye for now. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.